rumah. Untuk dokter yang
And the three men spent their next few days desperately trying to return to Earth safely. To discuss what went wrong and the challenges that the astronauts had to overcome, I'm joined by Wayne Short. He's the president of the National Space Society of Australia. Wayne, good afternoon to you. Now, Wayne, before we get stuck into what actually went wrong, can you give us a bit of an idea about the context surrounding this mission? Because this wasn't actually too long after the Apollo 11 mission, was it? The idea of travelling to the moon was still a relatively new one.
Yes, it was actually fairly new. It was actually the third mission, and it was a bit interesting in terms of this particular mission. Each way was getting more and scientifically ambitious. So this particular one here was actually designated to do some scientific research in the lunar highlands of Trowmarrow. So there was a few things that